Hi, I'm Renee. I'm cleaning, organizing, and painting a home for free. This would have cost the homeowner over $5,000 to have this job completed. This home hasn't been cleaned in many years. The homeowner took care of his mom until she passed away recently. He was unable to keep the house up and make general repairs because of his health as well. The story goes like this. His mom lost both of her legs to diabetes. She would not let her son clean or organize the home. No one would visit, so there's no reason to keep the house clean. After his mom passed away, it was like he was living in a mausoleum. Memories of his mom were everywhere. He slept in the den to be close to his mom to take care of her. He was depressed and didn't know where to start or whom to ask for help. He reached out to me, and this project took a little over 2 weeks. He was so excited and very grateful after each room was done. He felt like a weight was lifted from his shoulders and he could start living life again. The goal was to pack up all of his mom's belongings for a garage sale and then clean, organize, and paint. This room used to be a dining room, but it turned into a makeshift bedroom for his mom. I moved on to the living room for a moment, but then moved to the kitchen. I started in the food cupboard by throwing out all of the expired food. Moving on to the kitchen cupboards and packing up all of his mom's dishes for the garage sale. Moving on to the bathroom to pack up all of her belongings and clean the bathroom. The blankets and towels were donated to the animal shelter. Moving back to the living room, the homeowner wanted the red carpets thrown away because they were soiled by a dog. This room was next to the dining room, and everything under the sheets is all garage sale items. I donated the wheelchair to a local assisted living facility. This is the first sneak peek of a few rooms after his mom's items were boxed up and cleaned. This is a two-part series, and you can see the rest of the rooms and the final transformation for each of the rooms. The kitchen is not done yet. The cabinets get a makeover in part 2. Stay tuned for part 2 where I complete the rest of the house. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with all your friends, hit the notification bell for more videos like this.